No Chambers fade.
What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. In this video, we are going to be cooking in the new arena lobbies. So you may have seen that, and it's really fun. So we're going to be cooking it up. So we hopped into the game. So we're going to be doing 5 games.
Well, wait, man, wait, what? Come on now! Come on now! What's going on? What's going on? And all that.
Okay.
People saying all that.
I don't need HP, but okay, guys, we're gonna take shotguns now. I mean, they're not very good. Let's just say, I'm being honest. They're not very good. Like they shoot, not really. It's not really powerful, really. I'm gonna be honest.
Broski wanted to keep on sucking his mouth off. Bro was yapping way too much.
I'm not getting the wall, bro. You were clear right there. It's the hitbox, bro, okay? It's just the hitbox.
Pistol on shotgun. Watch this. Nope, that's not today. We're going to 5 games after.
Oh yeah, 200 so far.
Let's go. We're attack. Why?
Kill him. Yay, let's go. Hey, go to finish, baby. What's up?
Okay, how did he not die? Okay. Okay, guys. This is now. Whoa.
Yeah, get out my lobby, little kid.
Oh yeah. I think you're so good. Okay, guys, we're gonna get him. Oh my God, what's that?
Yeah, 200. Oh yeah. What are you doing?
Washing the dishes.
Oh, what's your aim?
What do you mean? What do you mean? I just got you. Yeah.
What happened, little boy?
Okay, guys, we're gonna take pistols now. Guys, how do you not notice?
Oh, you gotta die. I'm dead. Keep him on. Never one got you there.
Oh no. I died as well. Bye. Okay, now shotgun's on. Oh. Hello.
No Chambers fade.
Bye. I didn't kill him, sorry. Okay, guys, we're about to win.
Kill him. No Chambers.
Yes!
Oh my God, where's everyone at? Yo, we are cracked, bro. We are cracked, bro.
Okay, guys, see you in game number 2. Game number 2. Shotguns? Oh, yeah, I just took the. Wait, are they mining? If they're mining them.
Yeah, could get.
If they're even here, then I'm mining. Bam! Oh, come on. Oh, guys, I went to the unknown. Okay, let me just take pistols now. I mean, they're pretty good. Yeah, pistols are better, guys. Pistols are better. Or just do them.
That's what they're doing. So,
No, not today.
I need to go.
Nope. That's wrong. You're in the wrong way. Nah. Guys, I might just go to defense. Oh, guys. Okay, guys, I'm gonna take pistols now. Okay, right. Shotguns, everybody shotguns.
And this kid's life. And this kid's career.
Yeah, I keep doing it. Did you get him? Nice.
stop.
Got him. No, I didn't. I didn't get him. Okay, guys. Everybody take pistols. Pistols. Okay, we need to take pistols now. Come on.
They're coming in. They're running in.
Whoop. Me whoop.
How do you shoot? Attack! We made 3 kids defending.
How did you do that?
Someone protect the,
Wait, what is he doing? Guys, I have a trick as well.
crystals for us. They got the
Watch this. Oh, no.
Nah, bro. Even if we win, it's still GG, bro. Is there like a requirement for us to win, though?
Let me breathe. Oh my god.
No, how am I not getting?
Yeah.
I think pistols are just better in general.
Or are they?
I'm not cheating. It's the grenade.
I'm not cheating in my if I'm flying. It's a grenade.
Oh, I got him. Oh, guys, there's a really
The
good one.
shotgun's not that good.
Yeah, get
The
that.
shotgun's trash. Use a revolver. It's better aim, too. That's a lot of damage. Yo,
Oh, hello.
yeah, just get a revolver and just...
Flirty.
Don't even need good aim.
Okay, got one. Oh no, they're gonna win.
200, bro. You're a big 50 head.
Yo, red team GG, red team.
No,
Big 50
no.
Bro, red team winning, guys. Red team.
Guys, we have to defend. Guys, we have to defend. Everybody defend. Everybody defend. No, we lost. Guys, so game number 2, we lost. No, defeat. Anyways, guys, meet you in game number 2. Bye, and meet you there. Game number 3, boys.
There's so many teammates.
I was already over there mining like 12. I died instantly. I'm competitive.
Nope. Nope. But then you shot them.
I wish you could see like where you got shot from.
Got him.
You're dead, buddy. Oh my god. Who's shooting me? And how?
I'm gonna try and
There's a guy. Another guy.
And guys, remember, this is only game number 3. Game number 5 will go
Okay,
crazy.
guys, so basically, the shotgun has less ammo, but it does more
Oh, that was
damage,
a good
and
one.
the
Revolver does more.
revolver better
more
than
ammo, but it does less damage. If you're good
Yeah,
with a
Oh, they reloaded it and I couldn't get him. Pistols.
Hey, at least I got a good push.
Got you. Got you. Ha.
Good job.
Guys, I'm gonna defend.
This is war. Hey,
Guys,
we're
I'm
winning
gonna
over there.
defend.
Come on, bro. Come on, everybody is like over there.
Oh yeah.
Oh, I see them.
Random blast.
Got him. Okay, where's that other guy? Oh, I got him. Guys, I'm gonna stay at defense. Yes!
let's go.
Guys, we won. See you in game number 4, and then number 5, the biggest game of all
Hunted
time.
horrible, bro.
Gain of full blood.
Up here.
Oh no.
And then try to climb up here.
Okay, guys, we're off the way. Oh,
Yes, this is
Defend, you
definitely
defend, okay?
rivals.
You defend, okay?
Guys,
You
this is
defend, right?
definitely rivals.
Okay, some people defend, some people go attack.
Nope. Fire.
Yeah, buddy, my aim is better. You're up there.
hey, I need. Okay, guys.
2 people in 1 second, bro. You're not.
Two people lost to
Peek,
go.
I dare you. Peek, I dare you.
Pikachu.
Oh no.
Go for it, buddy. Come on, go for it. Go for it. Go for it. Yes.
No. No.
Perfect. On for shotgun. On for shotgun. Bomb. Abomination.
I feel bad. What do you mean you feel bad? I get the kid so much.
That's one. That's number 2. Oh no. Oh no. Guys, shotguns are actually pretty good, but they're only like for short range. That's the
Did I not kill him?
problem.
I got so many, bro. I got so many.
What the? No, no.
Yo, are you recording?
Oh, no. Okay, I died. Guys, we have
Enemy,
pretty
first
decent amount of no. Yes, sir. Guys, so,
Guys, get your shotgun.
oh,
I'm sorry.
guys, we're cooking. We're cooking right now.
We're cooking, guys.
Go.
Talk to you. They want to talk to you, buddy.
I want to get football. Nice, be nice.
We're doing.
Guys, we have to win. We have to win. Guys, I'm gonna take a
So, guys, I'm making a video, and this is going
Yo, can you hop
crazy.
over there and get down from there, bro? You
Oh, holy.
I'm gonna hide
Oh,
in
you
here,
suck
guys.
at the game.
It's just like right. I'm gonna do something. They want to talk to you.
Nope, not today. Not today.
Why do you freaking put these interesting on top of it?
Guys, I'm gonna rock the shotguns.
Yo, Red, bro, y'all teaming suck, bro. Y'all have a spawn chamber, not even around the team,
Don't
bro.
care. Don't care.
Don't care. Don't care.
Don't care. Don't care. Try. You have to give me some of the rules.
Oh no.
No one cares. I hope you die. Got him.
Come on.
Yes, we won.
Yo,
We won. Guys, we won.
I won.
GG,
Guys.
Rexy, GG, Rexy, GG.
Wait
Showing.
and see the big game. I'll see you there, and then
Everyone's full.
stay tuned to see the best
How did we
war.
No, they're a legend.
Y'all lost because, like, all y'all doing is
Am I right,
The last
John?
one
Wow.
in the game.
Okay, let me take it. Shortcut. What is it? Abomination. Abomination. 80 dice.
Always break it. You dumb
Get out of here.
mongols.
I'm not ready for this. Give me some.
Find up. Find up.
No way. I'm mine. I'm mine. God, you abomination.
Oh, oh.
Shut up the thing.
I'm a soul in the pistol.
I am Marty.
Yo, Red,
I think
bro,
I'm
genuinely.
alone.
Right, y'all teaming suck.
I'm not gaming.
Oh, I mean, nah. Guys, Guys, you're so scared.
Kill shotguns, bro. Nobody can. Get out of our area. Get out. No. Get out. Get out.
Wait for this.
Guys,
Get
report
out.
him. Report
Guys,
this
you're
guy.
not
He's
ready.
camping. He's not allowed to. Camping.
Yeah, it's fine.
Yes, you are. But no.
Yes, you are.
Okay, yeah. That's gonna be pretty annoying, guys. It's not funny.
So that they can kill other teams if they're in your space.
Oh
Yeah, they
my
probably
God,
should.
go.
You're joking.
Go. Hey, you.
Crazy.
Oh my God.
Die, brozo.
How you gonna fucking die, bro?
Hey.
How can you skip?
Imagine dying.
Imagination.
Just do that. Just
Oh my god, you're sick.
go like this.
Nah, I'm gonna shoot.
Huh? Nah, because you have a pussy ass teammate over there. Who's spawn camping every single round.
Hold on, I'll try to.
Nah, he won't come out there. Cause he's scared.
What? Nah, bro. Really? You're weird.
On air.
Oh.
You're so funny.
Get out of the blue spawn area or else I'm going to kill you. I swear, I'm going to kill you.
It's so quick. Everybody. Wait, good. Lie. Guys, we're gonna win again. Campers. Win.
Yes, we won.
You're a team that's always camping. So hey. That's why you campers get.
Yes. Oh yeah. Yo, guys, winning.
Guys, we did it.
Right, everyone's
Like and
wearing red
subscribe
team.
for more
Everyone's wearing
videos
red
like
team.
this. And
No,
peace.
bro, I'm not.